This is the Sydney Olympic Park wharf from where we take a ferry to go towards the city. This is the wharf terminal. The road straight, which you can see, is Hill Road, which goes towards, if you go walking straight about 5 minutes, you reach Hamza's house. And this is the board in which you can't see clearly, but it's not very clear. But the one ferry goes towards Paramatta, the other one goes towards Circular Quay. Sitting arrangements on the ferry wharf, and this is a floating pontoon, which they call it, which is extended in the river. The best connections to go to the city, the best way. They make use of the proper use of the waterways and for the transportation. Which we do not use in India. We should use it, especially in Bombay and all these places where there's so much of waterway. You can save so much of time in traveling. Now the ferry which you see, which is coming, I'll be taking that ferry and I'll be going to Paramatta side. From Paramatta, I will again take the same ferry and it will touch this point back and then go towards the city. So it will be almost about an hour in the ferry, and it's coming here. This is the bridge they have, which connects the ferry and the ferry landing. So this is NSW transport, North South Wales transport system, and they call it as River Cats. This is the it is showing here in the board 1 minute, and it's exactly here on time. It's showing Paramatta on the ferry.
Service to Paramatta is now departing. Stopping at
Thank you, Paramatta service.
Thank you. This is the inside. Prefer to stand out, though it's very sunny, but see the view. It's going towards Paramatta. This bush walk, yesterday I had, in the evening I took this bush walk, which is, you can see on the left. You can see that person walking. It was a beautiful walk, about 1 kilometer. It's called as River Walk. This track is called as River Walk. You can see this house here. See, this is a wonderful, beautiful bungalow on the banks with a garden. Entire station I walked yesterday evening was very nice.
That's a good job.
It's a good job, yes. From India. India.
You're a bit better than us in cricket from New Zealand.
You're from New Zealand?
50 years in Australia.
Oh, that's great.
Lost my accent. You're over here for long.
Yeah, I have been here for almost 1 month. Pardon?
How much longer are you here?
Another 1 month. This is a cafe here. It serves breakfast. It's very popular on the riverside. I walked all the way yesterday till the cafe and I returned back. It was closed because I came almost at 4:35 in the evening. So it closes around 2 or 2:30. We are going very slow here because there is a speed restriction, so you cannot speed, and I think that person told me it's around 4 knots the speed limit over here. So in this particular section it's very slow. This is all backwaters. Bridge says Paramatta River, James Hughes Drive Bridge. Paramatta is a very important suburb here in Sydney. Many people stay here. Train links, well connected to the city also, and all shopping centers, malls. Even in the night, late night, you can get things here. You can get food to eat.